Hello, I'm Senator Tammy Baldwin, and I'm honored to join you virtually for the Wisconsin Recovery Alignment Day. Today is about coming together because it will take all of us, federal, state, local, and community advocates, to support prevention, treatment, and recovery efforts in communities across our state. This issue is personal to me, as my mother struggled with mental illness and addiction to prescription drugs. I know many Wisconsin families face the same challenges. The substance use disorder crisis and opioid epidemic continues to touch every community across Wisconsin, and the COVID pandemic only made this public health challenge worse. That is why I have worked to make sure that you have a stronger federal partner. Recently, I voted for legislation that will deliver an increase in federal funding for state and local partners to support prevention, treatment, and recovery efforts. This legislation also provides our communities and first responders with an increase in funding to respond to substance use disorder and drug trafficking. This will help save lives. I'm also pleased to report that President Biden has released his first annual National Drug Control Strategy last month. It included many of the priorities that I've been pushing for. The strategy has a strong focus on expanding access to harm reduction interventions, including naloxone, a life-saving drug I've worked to make more accessible. The President's strategy also incorporates major elements of my bipartisan Medicaid Reentry Act. This bill helps make sure that incarcerated individuals reentering society have access to addiction treatment and other health services so that they can transition back to the community without a coverage gap. We're also working to do more to support young people with awareness campaigns and expanded access to education and prevention for teens. Again, it takes all of us, and I want to recognize your two award winners. My good friend, Senator Bewley, has been a champion at the state level, showing an outstanding commitment to recovery values. I also want to recognize David Macmaster for his public advocacy and dedication to the advancement of the recovery community in Wisconsin. Thank you to our recovery community for your commitment to a future where everyone can get the life-saving recovery care they need. Finally, please know that you have a federal partner in Washington, and I will continue pushing to make sure we step up and provide a sustained federal investment in the tools you need to save lives and support those in recovery.